how to play YouTube in background. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can play YouTube in background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To play YouTube in background, open the YouTube application here, then tap the profile icon from the top right and then just go to settings, then just go to general and then scroll down, look for picture in picture and make sure to turn it on. When you do this, first of all you need to have YouTube Premium. As you can see, I also have YouTube Premium. Whenever you select a video or photo over here, once you select them, even if you minimize the specific video, it's actually going to play in the background. So right over here you can see this over here. So if this video is not playing because of the internet, let me try to switch to the other one here, and as you do that, this video will also play here. It is playing in picture mode, right? Now what I can do is this will also keep playing in the background. So if I close my lock screen, on the lock screen you can see the video is actually still playing. So this way you'll be able to play YouTube in background. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.